Yeah.
So hi guys, I'm here buying a pair of shoes with this gentleman. India, what's your name?
My name is Jack.
Jack. Okay, Jack is trying to sell me a pair of shoes and I hope that the shoes last very long. Show me
Yeah.
the shoes.
This one, yeah.
So this is the shoe. It's size 11, my size. So
Perfect size for you.
yeah, we are actually here by the Polo. Is it Polo, right?
No,
What
it's
is one?
Sports Zone.
Oh, Sports Zone, sorry, Sports Zone. So I'm buying this pair of shoes and if the shoes does not last long, we're gonna come back for Jack, right guys? Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna do a fast food challenge. So it's gonna be me and my son against my daughter and her BF. So yes guys, we have our spread. We are doing KFC. We have a bucket of chicken. We have our coleslaw. We have our fries. We have our wedges. We have our sandwich, this is Smiley. And we have our biscuits, we have juice, orange juice, and we have water. All right, and oh, we have corn. So it's licks, licks for them boys. Me and my daughter against the boys. Doctor was looking. Itchy.
Bye!
You want to do it? Yes.
Come! Come, man!
Okay, yeah.
Here you go.
So good morning, guys. Happy Sabbath. So guys, I'm about to have my breakfast now. Just took my shower. I'm not going to church today. It's 9:20 now, so I'm going to have some bush tea and a veggie burger that I prepared, and just gonna relax today, guys, because yeah, you know, at days we need a little extra rest because working from Monday to Friday up from 4:30 5:30 Monday to Friday, and then going to bed like 10 11 o'clock. So I'm going to get back up early in the morning. I prefer to, you know, take a rest. Sometimes the body needs the rest, and sometimes, like, you know, when certain things are bothering you but you just can't put your finger on it, but yeah, so sometimes you just need to relax and, you know, take time out for yourself. Can be burdened even in church. Even if you have offices, you need time to still rest and rejuvenate, recuperate. So yeah, I'm just relaxing today. I have Sadler's in the afternoon teaching Pathfinder. So yeah, and so yesterday, guys, I didn't check in after I left buying the shoes. So I went to work, and then after work I went to collect some KFC because my children and I, we were doing a fast food KFC challenge, so you will see that also. So yeah, I'm checking in now. Hope that you had a good night's rest. It's Sabbath or Saturday, and the place is sunny and bright. We have very good weather here, and yeah, I just, you know, checking in. So I'm gonna see you guys later. We have a little outing later, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Take care.
essay security check, and you know they have a metal detector. So if you have anything in your pockets, anything in your pins in your hair, you're gonna hear beep, 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 beep. And then if you don't have and you take them out, you probably hear beep. The only time as Christians we're supposed to hear beep, beep is when we have the armor of God on us. That's the only metal we need on us, is the armor of Christ Jesus.
The market.
What drink you go for? What drink you go for?
Pina colada daiquiri. So good morning, guys. Happy Sunday, guys. So guys, I didn't check in last night, but I was on a date. I went to a place that is over at Frigate Bay. It's called Buddha Bar. I like the ambience. It's like an Indian restaurant, and I had a virgin margarita, mango margarita. It was real nice. That was my first time trying that, because I'm not a drinker. I don't drink alcohol. I can't drink alcohol. So yeah, I had a virgin margarita and I had fried rice with chili sauce. So yeah, you know, your girl don't eat meat or anything like that, so that's what I try to stay healthy. Don't consume too much fast food or like processed foods. This is my personal thing. It's not that I am against eating chicken and all these different things. I'm not against it, but because I used to eat it, but for me personally, it's my own decision to not to eat it. Health reasons, number one, and for me to be, you know, much clearer in, you know, because when you're eating a lot of processed meat, red meat and all these different things, like your head space, like you feel sluggish and stuff like that. So being a vegan, for me, it helps me to feel much lighter, much clear-headed, you know, like I feel much better. So I'm not bashing anyone, please don't get it as I'm bashing anybody. My children eat meat, so I'm not here to say that, oh, you should turn vegan or anything like that, but I'm just saying that I don't. It's my own personal decision, so I'm not putting it over on anyone. And so yeah, I don't know where I went off there, but yeah. So I went out on a date, had a little time there. It was simple but nice, and then I got home late, so I didn't check in with you guys, but I'm not checking in. So it's Sunday morning. It's just after 9, a little past 9 o'clock. So I'm heading to the supermarket to get some stuff because I'm going to the beach today. I hope you guys can hear me because I think my hand was on the thing. So I'm going to the beach today. I need my hair washed. I'm supposed to be dropping my sister to the school's graduation today also. So when I get back from the shop, I'm going to wash. I already put my clothes in the washing machine. So yeah guys, that's how my plans are today. I think I want to make some veggie roti, so I'm gonna get me some plantain. So I'm gonna try the plantain dough, which is simple, just one plantain with a cup of flour, and you knead it, and that's your dough there. You let it rise for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna try that as my roti skin. I'm gonna make some chickpea roti. So I'm gonna head now to the shop and then come back. So I'll see you guys when I get back. If not, I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at on the beach. Okay, so see you guys. I hope that you had a wonderful night's rest and you're up this good Sunday morning praising God, thanking him for another day. minutes to 2 o'clock. It's about 11 to 2 o'clock, so we're headed to the beach, guys. The place is very hot, so we're headed to the beach. I completely forgot that today is Mango Fest in Nevis, and that would have been a good vibe, but nonetheless we are still going to be vibing on the beach. We are going to go to Cockleshell Bay, my date and I. So yeah, I cooked some food, veggie roti with some vegetables, and I also have some sandwiches, and yeah, I'm gonna go and buy some ice now, and we're gonna pick up some snacks and water for us to take to the beach. So we're gonna Cockleshell, and then yeah, so I didn't even remember that Mango Fest, because everything is coming so fast, and then I'll be traveling next week. I'm going to a wedding, my brother's wedding, so everything is like coming one time, and like there's no time to process anything. So I just started going out on dates recently, so that is one and of itself a task. But yeah, you guys will find out how my date is going, what's happening, and yeah. So I'm going for my date now. We're going to pick up my date, and we're going to pick up a couple things that we need: ice, water, and snacks. And then I'm going to take my sister to the graduation. So yeah, I'm going to check in with you guys as soon as we reach the beach. So see you guys later. I would never walk on that, yeah. Like a fast.